So I heard a really startling fact the other day, and because I'm the owner of a business intelligence platform, I paid a lot of attention to it, and it's 85% of business intelligence and analytic projects fail. And this wasn't some, anecdotal report. This was Gartner and CIO.com saying it. And I got thinking about the analytics projects that we've helped turn around in for our customers. And I realized it came down to asking one question. And as soon as that happens, you can turn around a failing kind of BI or analytics project in a snap. And that's what I want to share with you guys today. So my name is Vidas. I'm the founder of the business intelligence platform StrategyBox. And today I'm just going to cover why business intelligence and analytic projects fail and a really quick way to turn them around. So like I said, it comes down to answering one question. And the reason I've found business intelligence projects fail is the organization has failed to ask itself, are we aligned on what action we take with the data that we're given? So another way of thinking about that is everyone thinks a different question is being answered. And there's no alignment on, okay, hey, these are the questions that our data is answering for us. And this is the action that we're going to take going forward with that data. So I'll give you a real world example that I literally encountered about 3 weeks ago. So a CFO wanted to know what her customer acquisition cost was. And the reason and kind of the actions she was taking is she needed to think about kind of what money was going to go where for marketing budgets. And so they wanted to know, okay, well, what's their most profitable product? And we're going to put more marketing dollars into those products versus some of the other ones. They also have some metrics, about 4 or 5, that they needed to report to the board. And what the data team heard is customer acquisition cost going up or down, and why? Do we include costs like headcount? Also, you know what? We should totally give her a breakdown of customer acquisition costs for the past 48 months and compare it to industry benchmarks. And 5 or 6 weeks have gone by, and we didn't really get the analysis done in time. So we had to go to the CFO because she was screaming at us. And she said, well, where is it? I just need it now. And I thought what I asked for was really simple. And then the data team starts freaking out. And then there's another 4 weeks go by. And then an 86-page report of analysis gets delivered. And the CFO could care less because that's not exactly what she asked for. And you know what the problem is? No one was at fault here. Nobody was wrong in this scenario. There's a lot of people that got blamed, but there was nobody that was actually wrong. And the reason for that was both sides didn't take the time to align on, oh, this is the information that I need, and this is the action that I take with it. And then once I know that, I can go, oh, okay, I can get the necessary data and display it in a form, report, dashboard, whatever, that makes sense to them. So now that you know, we definitely have all felt when people are out of alignment with us. They're not listening. There's a lot of yelling. How do we do the opposite? How do we get people back into alignment? And the easiest way I've found to do that is you get everyone that provides and takes action on data in one room. So in this case, the data team and the CFO, maybe a couple of finance people. And you have what's known as a background versus foreground conversation. So the easiest illustration of that is a foreground conversation is a CEO walking into an exec team meeting and going, hey guys, we're going to double sales this year. And everybody goes, yeah, rah, sis boom ba, this is amazing. And then the CEO leaves and the VP of marketing looks at the VP of sales and goes, oh Jesus, how the hell are we going to do that? Now, that's a background conversation. The background conversation is the real conversation. It's what you're actually thinking. And it needs to come up, and people need to be made comfortable to feel that they can say those things, because that's actually when alignment can occur. And you need to have that. Sometimes it can be kind of an uncomfortable conversation. I'm not going to lie. But what it allows people to do is gives them space to go, well, what I actually needed was this. Because the reason that I need that data is I need to make this decision with it. Or once I know that, I can take this action on it. And then once both teams have aligned on what action is being taken on that data, you're off to the races. So I often get asked, like, what does alignment look like? You'll actually feel the energy in the room change. People will start smiling, their heads will start nodding. You're going to get people repeating each other. So CFO says, well, I need these four requirements. You're going to hear somebody on the data team go, oh, you mean this, 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 and this? Oh, okay, cool. And then there's concrete next steps. So not only do people feel good, you start to move into, oh, well, yeah, that's actually a really simple report. We can make that by the end of next week. And I'll have it to you on Friday. Cool. Everybody's happy. And you've turned a failing BI project around. So now you're off to the races. If you have any questions about how to use business intelligence in your organization, how to determine how marketing is driving sales or automation of reports, or you just want to learn more about business intelligence, visit strategybox.com for more resources today.